So a lot of you guys have been wondering, with CPA Grip, different ways to get traffic. I just wanted to show you a way that a lot of people are not talking about, that I've recently just thought about. I haven't even tested this out, but we can all test it out together, guys. I thought it was a really good idea, so I wanted to bring it to you all. So as soon as you go to, CPA Grip, you go down here to offer tools, go to my offers, you'll land on this page, right? So these are a lot of different offers that you can choose, as you guys already know that. So, you know, uh, normally I would tell you guys, to create, a small landing page, um, to convert, with these offers. So today we're going to talk about split testing and the importance of split testing. So normally when you split test, so let's say for instance, you built a fan page around, let's just say this one right here. You built not a fan page, but a landing page around this one, and you drove traffic to it, and it didn't convert well. So then you would take the landing page away and then just run it straight to the offer, see which one converts best, and then that's what you run with. Okay, so one of the traffic sources that I thought about that nobody really uses anymore, that I thought people didn't use or people were even still on it, is Google Plus, right? So I came in on my Google Plus account and I'm like, man, I remember when Google Plus was like a thing back then, a couple years ago, but I haven't really heard anybody talk about it anymore. So I decided to come here. I clicked on communities, right? And I went to the search bar at the top and I typed in Taco Bell, right? And the reason why I did that is because I saw a Taco Bell, landing page right here, or this one here. So I saw a Taco Bell landing page and I was like, how many people, are interested in Taco Bell? So I saw, a Taco Bell page right here. So I clicked on it. And this one, as you can see, the dates are old. It's like October 2015. So I was like, man, well, these wouldn't work, because I was originally going to be like, well, we can comment to the people who are commenting in the comment section. But since these posts were so old, I went back and I saw another one here with a lot of members. But same thing, guys. Um, 17 weeks ago, 52 weeks ago, like a lot, and then 2017. So I'm like, yeah, these are old too. So I couldn't really do that, which is funny because somebody right here was already promoting in here, okay, which is hilarious. And this was what, 2017, so about 2 years ago. Somebody else was already doing CPA in here, which is a great idea, which made me think about it now. So I'm like, okay. So I went to the top search bar. Well, not the top search bar, but if you go up, you will see. See if I can come up some. You'll see post right here. So I figured if I click on post, what do you know? 9 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 13 hours ago. So these are people who are on here all day, posting stuff, related to Taco Bell. 2 days ago, 2 days ago, and guess what, guys? They literally have no one else commenting on here at all. It's just free, leads all day, right? This is crazy. Like, look at this. No comments on none of this stuff, right? They're talking about a taco wrap recipe, all this from Taco Bell. Like, look at this. All this stuff is Taco Bell, right? And people are commenting literally. All these are leads from different people, guys, that you can just go in here, test out your landing pages, test out, your links. But that's not even all, though, guys. That's not even all. This is just a little bit of icing on the cake, because you can literally go in here and comment. For instance, let's say I was to take, this link right here. Let's say I copy link, right? Or however you copy, hopefully it copied. And then I just wanted to paste it under here, under this guy's post. Let me see if it'll let me post it. Normally I wouldn't do it like this, but I'm just using it as an example, right? So I posted this, and then when he clicks on it, it should go to, it's actually mobile, so it's not going to go to the Taco Bell thing. It actually went to something else because I'm on the laptop, but I actually clicked the mobile link, so I will actually have to do a different link. But as you guys can see, I commented on his post, right? And whoever this person is that, said something about, this is probably not a good one because it said a Taco Bell shooting. This is actually not a good post. I would have did a different post, but just to give you guys an example, if they were to click on that, because I'll be the only person that comments, so they'll get a notification since it's just from me, and then either they're gonna go through it, check it out or not. But normally, like I would say, build a dope landing page, something that's really high quality. And hey, that's crazy because somebody else is actually doing it 6 days ago, right? See, he's posting his in here, which I wouldn't do it like that. But I guess if you click on this, it'll take you to his blog. So let's check out what he's doing. And he may be following me. I'm not sure. But this is a pretty cool idea. Yeah, because he's doing CPAGRIP as well. So that's pretty cool. You can also do the blogs. But I'll make another video showing you a way how to kill the blogs and really crush it on that. But so somebody like this, but I wouldn't necessarily do mine like this because of course you're not going to get that much engagement. But if you go out and you comment under these people's stuff like this, but this is probably another CPA offer. So I mean, just go through here, guys, play around with it. And that's not even all. So what you could also do is just go through here and continue to find different offers. Let's see, IHOP. Let's see if they have anything for IHOP. So I'll go here to the search bar and I'll type in IHOP, and let's see if they have anything in here dealing with IHOP. And pretty much you would just go through and try to find out. So let's see if I have a post. Okay, get an IHOP gift card. So this is somebody else. So CPA, people are still doing CPA in here, which is pretty cool. But I would actually go to other people's posts and comment. Like this one has a lot of engagement. And she posted that 6 hours ago. Don't go to IHOP. Healthy ways to order at IHOP. So this was, I guess, a clickbait thing. And it's a lot of engagement in this post. So I would actually promote on that post. It's a bunch of different things. Like a lot of these people I'm noticing are doing CPA. A couple of these people, which is very smart. Let's click on this guy's blog. Yeah, get your gift cards, and let's see if I actually click on this. Let's see where it takes me. It says CPAGRIP at the top, which is hilarious. So yeah, this is another CPAGRIP offer. So some people are doing this, and I randomly just thought about this idea. So this is definitely a good idea. You guys should try it. But like I said, you could just go through here, type in iPhone X, type in, different things. Let me see. I'll type in iPhone X and see if anything comes up, or XS or whatever it's called. So Apple iPhone. So let's see if any of these members in here are actually. See, okay, so I just clicked in a group. You can actually join this group. It's the Apple iPhone X group. Okay. So let me scoot this over a little bit so you guys can see it. So it's the Apple iPhone X group, right? And 2 days ago, 7 hours ago, they just made a post. So, you could actually come in here, and it seems like a couple of people in here posting a little bit. So just, you guys get what I'm saying. Just go through here, type in, Apple Watch, or, V-Bucks or Fortnite or something like that. So I'm curious about Fortnite. Let me type in Fortnite just to see, because I know that's really popular right now. There's so much stuff you can do with this CPAGRIP, guys, and I just want you guys to win with it. So Fortnite, Battle Royale, Fortnite. Look at all these members, guys. 11,000 members, 26,000 members. Let's see if 26 minutes ago, guys. Come on, man. He just posted 26 minutes ago. I'm about to go in here and go to work. I don't know about y'all. I'm going to get in here and go to work. 4 hours ago. So this is fresh. Fortnite is fresh, guys. So what you could do, you would go down here, get your V-Bucks, right? Get this link. Either make a landing page or just send the link directly and go in here and clean house, guys, and get money. So that's a method that you guys could absolutely kill. I absolutely hope you guys get in here and let me know what kind of results you guys have. I'm going to let you know what kind of results I have. I'll be back with a couple more videos. I also have a CPA course below this video, as well as an email software. if you guys haven't purchased it already. But this method right here could be a killer. I'm not sure yet. I'm about to get in here and test it out. Sounds like a great idea, and I'll let you guys know in another video. So peace out. Also, subscribe. My number's below if you need to text me about anything. If you need to email me, feel free to contact me at any time. All right. See y'all later. Peace.